This is Mr. Martin. This is a video solution for a difference quotient definition of a derivative worksheet. This is a solution for number 1, and hopefully you already noticed that this x here should be an h as h approaches 0. So for number 1, we need to find the derivative first, so we're going to use the difference quotient. So I know that f of x plus h minus f of x over h, that's our difference quotient. So that's going to be negative 5 times x plus h squared plus 3 times x plus h minus 7. That's our f of x plus h. Then we have to subtract f of x. So be careful with the signs, because I'm going to do this in one step without parentheses, but you have to distribute that negative. So it's going to be plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 7. So this part is our f of x plus h, and then this part is our f of x. All right, and then that's going to all be over h. So let's do a little simplifying. This part here is going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, and then we'll distribute the negative 5. So we'll have negative 5 x squared minus 10xh minus 5h squared, and then we'll distribute there, so plus 3x plus 3h minus 7 plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 7 all over h. And let's see what cancels out. Negative 5x squared and positive 5x squared. I have 3x and minus 3x. Negative 7 and positive 7. So then everything that's left has an h in it, so I'm going to divide out this h. So when I divide this first term by h, and I'm going to put my limit now. So now I'm going to have the limit as h approaches 0. So this divided by h is negative 10x. This divided by h is minus 5h, and this divided by h is plus 3. So the limit as h approaches 0 is going to be negative 10x minus 5 times 0 plus 3. We'll use direct substitution, which is negative 10x plus 3. So this difference quotient, as the limit of h approaches 0, this is our derivative. So this function here, which is the derivative of our original function, this will give us the slope at any point on the graph. So since we're looking at this point on the graph, I can now find the slope at 1, negative 9 by substituting in x. So our slope is going to be negative 10 times 1 plus 3, or negative 7. So now that I have the slope of the line tangent to the graph at 1, negative 9, I can find the tangent line. Tangent line. So let's use y equals mx plus b. So I have a y value that's negative 9. I have my slope is negative 7. I have an x value which is 1 plus b. So that's going to give me a b value of negative 2, which means that my tangent line is going to be y equals negative 7x minus 2. So here's the derivative. We use the derivative to find the slope. We use the slope and the point they give us to find the equation of the tangent line. Alright, as always, if you have questions, make sure you let me know, and we'll see you in the next video.